Do you know how soon this would come to market, at least to your carriers or partners?
So DreamGallery actually came from an acquisition, Dream Park, from last year. They are widely deployed in Europe, Asia, and we have started working with Shaw Communications up in Canada to deploy this to their set-top boxes.
Okay. The other thing also, I know with the set-top box, the newer ones, you can push content, different devices, like you just have now. You have it pushed to, you said, an iPad, Android tablet, as well as the TV sets. So this allows the consumer to say, if I'm sitting down and my friend wants to watch a football game, I can watch my TV show on my laptop while that's going on.
Yeah, so we have a couple different solutions in that regard. One piece of that is we see more and more the consumers are utilizing companion screens while they're watching TV. And we want to empower our service provider customers to better obtain value from those second screens. And so this is, as you see, branded experience. It is the same as what's available on the TV. The idea here is I don't have to use a remote control. I can use my very familiar touch screen to navigate the exact same interface, and I can actually control my TV viewing experience. So I can actually watch the video up on the TV screen. Stop it. But additionally, we have a streaming technology called Secure Media, a DRM. We actually just announced that Time Warner Cable will be utilizing that platform. So we can also stream video-on-demand content and live TV content to tablets.
All right, so this saves, when the missus wants to watch a show, you can always, catch a football game type of thing.
Yeah, and there's a number of different ways we do that. One is from a network-based solution. The other is from an in-home solution, like with our new DCX3600. It's a 6-tuner, 1 terabyte DVR.
Nice.
And it also has what's called transcoding capabilities, so that it can send the live TV or DVR or video-on-demand content to your tablet.
That's nice. So you said partnership with Time Warner and most likely with other carriers as things go along.
Great deal of interest in all of these products. We're making progress. We certainly have announced several customers, but that's just the ones we've announced. We don't always get to announce all of our customers. DreamGallery is a toolkit that we sell to service providers, and it's HTML5 based, and this is just a reference design that we can provide them as a starting point, where they then customize the UI to their complete look and feel. After the customization is done, the marketing department at the service provider is going to have access to what you see, what you get editor. And so in our multi-screen solution, we're actually showing you the exact same UI on a set-top box, running natively inside a Samsung connected TV, running on an Android tablet and an Apple tablet. And the idea here is that web-based development is not as straightforward as some people might think, because these are all 4 completely different web browsers. So there are certain nuances with each browser that need to be taken into effect. And something simple I can show you is that the scrolling up top here is very smooth. But the Samsung TV browser doesn't have that graphics acceleration, so the scrolling in the TV just jumps. And normally you'd have, and everything's different, so the tablets have touchscreen interfaces, not remote controls. Well, instead of writing 4 different, what we call portals, to to service the UI, we create one UI and dynamically create the portals based on the device type. So it's less work for the development teams at our customers.
Okay.
The other thing we can do is actually make changes to the UI on the fly. So if I'm in the marketing department and I want to add a new item, this might be moving it from a different portion of the UI or launching a new application. Whatever I want to do as the marketer, I have control over, versus waiting 6 to 12 months for development and then looking at something and saying I don't like it.
Yeah.
So I can actually go in, select the icon that I want to use. When I click create, I can see it populate across all the different screens. So the idea here is that it's rapid prototyping, rapid changes, and I can even experiment by doing trial deployments with the changes based on customer feedback and manipulate these changes to optimize the customer experience.
Okay.
So I can just as easily delete that change. The other thing we have here is integration with a product we call Meteos Merchandiser.
Okay.
It's a metadata engine recommendation platform. So you see here we're getting new movies along the center. We have top 10 movies that might be the most watched movies. And then we've got recommendations based on your personal information that you've opted in to provide, which might be your favorite genres or categories or your movie watching history. And then inside the movie store itself, we actually have recommendations that are based on the content metadata, so the titles, the actors, the descriptions. So you see at the bottom we got a more, you may also like this fill in. So as I change to a different movie, we get a different recommendation.
Okay. I see. So like I said, even this is also very customizable by the carriers or clients themselves. They can actually play around with this as much as they want.
Right.
Okay. The other thing also is the interface itself. How customizable is that for specific carriers or
It's 100% customizable.
Okay.
So we provide these templates of different screens. So that's basically where I'm at right now. Is after those, if you're in these templates, then you can edit them with basic web tools to look completely different.
Okay.
And then the idea here is that in this tool,